Welcome to Good Food, recipes you and your guests will love. Today's recipe is spinach artichoke baked chicken. Alright, we're going to take our 3 chicken breasts and we're going to butterfly it. And we'll place that into a 9x13 pan. Please see the full recipe in the description down below. If you would like to see a specific recipe, please leave a comment. Then we're going to make our spinach artichoke to go on top. So we're going to take a brick of cream cheese and we're going to cream that up. And we'll add our sour cream. We'll add our mayo and we're going to mix this all together. Keep mixing until it's all smooth. Scrape down the sides of the bowl. Now we'll add our garlic. And we'll mix that up until it's all mixed in. Now we'll fold in our spinach. You can use fresh spinach or you can use frozen spinach that's been thawed. We'll add in our parmesan cheese and our mozzarella. And we'll stir that all in. And our artichokes chopped up and mix that all together. Season with some salt and some pepper. Stir it up. And then we'll spoon some of the dip on top of the chicken. Make sure that the spoon doesn't touch the chicken. So we're not putting it back into the bowl. Spread it evenly all over the chicken. And we'll sprinkle some mozzarella on top. And then we'll bake it in a 400-degree oven for around 45 minutes or until the internal temperature is around 165. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.